4 to go, Jokic, the heave, counted the go! Nikola Jokic!
Kad god kroči na parket, Nikola Jokić uradi nešto zadivljujuće. Morao sam da prikupim sve momente genijalnosti iz ove sezone i složim ih u jedan video kako bi svi mogli uživati u njegovoj briljantnosti.
Jokic on the pump fake. And over the shoulder, no looker.
There's that pass. Just a flip over the shoulder.
One of the best we've seen all year from Jokic.
Look at Lopez. He didn't even know where the ball's going.
Evo još jednog pasa iza glave bez gledanja ka Gordonu, ovoga puta u tranziciji dok ga dva igrača jure.
Jokic is out there. Give it to Gordon. Whoa!
That's a fancy way to get a triple-double.
One of the great highlights of the season. This will be the #1 play on SportsCenter. Nikola Jokic getting the triple-double with the feed to Gordon.
Kao da ima još jedan par očiju na zadnjoj strani glave. Drugog logičnog objašnjenja nema.
Basket lost it momentarily, gets it back. Behind the back to Gordon, who puts it in. Nikola Jokic with a spectacular assist.
Sunday on ESPN. Oh my goodness. Nikola Jokic with the magician's vision.
No good. Jokic has the rebound. Pass under to Murray. Great.
Naravno da objašnjenje postoji. Njegova je vizija na terenu maestralna, najbolja moguća. Pogledajte kako svoje opcije drži otvorenima i čitavo vreme ima po dva moguća cilja, ali uvek izabere baš onaj pravi.
Backhand layup's a beauty.
What a pass.
Screen. Porter, Jokic. No look. The blind feed to Brown for 2.
And America knows all this too well.
Now, Jokic matched up. Pass underneath to Christian Brown, who puts it up and in under duress. Jokic down the middle. Westbrook.
A little bit of joy in motion. Prior to the last game, they had been holding teams to 103 points.
And there it is. Jokic.
Dosta mu pomaže i njegova veličina, koja mu omogućuje da gleda preko ramena odbrambenih igrača. A ovo je prosto nerealno. Pogađa Browna u uglu do tančine, čak i ne okrećući glavu ka njemu.
Kidding. Brown buries the three to complete the masterful dish from Jokic.
Njegovi su umotavački pasovi na jednom sasvim drugom nivou.
Is dealing with Jokic. Lively the help. Switch. Bullet feed. Outside. Flyby. Murray cans it for 3.
How about the pass?
Whip pass over to Murray. And Murray hits.
Look at that nice little swing pass. Highsmith asleep, and then boom.
The favors here. Jokic swinging. Porter for 3. Got it again.
Where man is, and then again, everybody cheating inside, thinking Joker's
Lost the handle. Jokic has it. Sling it over to Westbrook for 3.
Čak je i Ras počeo overavati trojke, budući da je čitavo vreme otvoren. Istini za volju, ovo je njegova druga najefikasnija sezona u karijeri, kada je šut sa distance u pitanju. Za to se mora zahvaliti Jokeru, a ekipe prosto neće naučiti da trebaju prestati da samo gledaju u njega. Pogledajte Lakerse, svih 5 igrača samo posmatra loptu, što dovodi do lakih poena za Gordona. Govoreći o tome, Aaron Gordon je taj koji najviše prihoduje od igranja sa Jokićem.
And it's Aaron Gordon.
Deal now down the other end. Alley up to Gordon, and Gordon throws it down.
25. Jamal Murray to Jokic. Alley-oop to Gordon.
Nikola Jokic to Aaron Gordon, and this is just picture perfect.
A groin injury had him questionable for tonight. Gordon on the receiving end from Jokic.
Because of an elite offense. Another nice pass. Well, we've seen some great looks. Guys really being unselfish in the opening minutes.
Jokic with the floater. Oh, Jack Gordon, who rocks the Casbah. Aaron Gordon a little bit earlier on a beautiful lob from Nikola Jokic.
Ne mogu reći da li je ovo promašen floater ili lob pas, a odbrana ovde nije znala gde da gleda, jer
starters are going to get.
Oh, there it is. Jokic up top for Gordon. 25, 11, and 10. And a beautiful dime here.
Yabusele just starts to rotate. Ball goes up in the air. He looks him off and just puts it up.
Bože, ovaj je čovek umetnik. Evo još jednog loba bez gledanja, ovoga puta ka Jamalu Mareju.
Off the chin cut, Murray with the layup. It's all built around the vision and passing of Jokic.
A kada je Jamal bio na liniji bacanja na 0,5 sekundi do kraja i koji uzgred ima 89% sa slobodnih, Jokić je nekako osetio promašaj, utrčao unutra i uz dodir ubacio pobednički koš uz sirenu.
Tips it in! Nikola Jokic!
Thinking one step ahead from outside the three-point line.
Oh my gosh. And it
Just
counts.
how they drew it up.
U stvari, pogodio je mnoge još impresivnije šuteve uz otkucaj sata.
Now Jokic gonna step back. And he
You're kidding.
Ayton, his length. He's contesting that shot. Nikola Jokic.
Can't finish.
Jokic gonna heave. It'll count if it goes.
Yes! Nikola Jokic! What can't this man do? Absolutely nothing.
Julian cheated way in.
Jokic gonna throw it up from way. He got it! Oh my! Nikola Jokic! All the way from Sombor! Oh my God!
This is why.
Njegovo strpljenje na pick and rollu da bi našao najbolje moguće rešenje je možda jedan od njegovih najvećih kvaliteta.
And they will! Jokic with assist number 20!
Jokic third in rebounding. Nice pass. Second in assists as he gets another one to Brown.
Zamrzava dvojicu odbrambenih bez da uopšte dribla loptu. Neverovatno. A ponekad mu dođe da spusti glavu i uradi ovo.
Jokic in deep. Jokic fakes out everybody and slams it home.
Pass off as we see Joker come in and dunk it.
Budimo iskreni, Joker nas je prijatno iznenadio sa višestrukim zakucavanjima ove sezone.
Jokic all the way. Jokic. Bam! Way off. Murray's got it.
Great pass.
Jokic! His second dunk tonight.
Get a couple steals and then you get off and you run.
Now Jokic has it. 29-16. Jokic in the lead. And he throws it down.
Nije neki zakucavač, ali je njegov rad nogama besprekoran. Za tipa njegove veličine, ekstremno je brz oko obruča.
6 of 10 from the field. Jokic, fake.
It goes. Jokic looks up at the shot clock. The spin move, oh, sweet spin move there from Nikola Jokic.
Jokic one-on-one against Isaac. Right around Isaac. Bye-bye, baby.
Watch that little look to the right, swim, and then just go back. You get a defender to lean.
Sa njegovim naglim okretanjem ka obruču, Jokić ostavlja mnoge veće atlete da se guše u prašini.
Who once led by 17. Up against it now. Jokic off the glass. Jokic with a fresh cut. Wheels himself inside and drops it home.
Spin two over the top step through, change of speed, change of direction. Again, gets the defender on his hip, goes right around the help side.
14 off the bench. Now Jokic reverse, pump fake, lay it in. Steady diet of Jokic here. Jokic in on Messi, around Messi, put it up and in. Like taking candy from a baby when he can get it. Not anymore. Now Jokic inside, pump fakes Wemby, put it up and in.
Yeah, I like it when he goes quickly before they can figure out how to double team.
Čoveče, mogu ceo dan gledati kako se poigrava sa odbranom, a do sada pasovi preko celog terena su postali njegov zaštitni znak.
Long pass, water polo variety. Porter, slam dunk. He missed one. Jokic, long lead, Christian Brown. He got it.
Christian Brown has learned if I sprint the floor, Nikola Jokic is going to reward me. No dribble necessary here for CB.
Get the Jokic, long lead pass to Brown. Big buddy to little buddy.
Now Westbrook leaking out. Westbrook wins the race to the rim.
Looking for a foul, he didn't get it. Length of the court to Murray. And he puts it away.
Jokic the rebound. Westbrook at the other end, nearly release, and the quick move to the rack.
Missed it. Jokic has the rebound. Long pass. Porter's out there. And he puts it away.
Stvar je u tome da on na svakoj utakmici uruči po 2-3 neverovatne asistencije i baš ga je teško pratiti.
George got caught staring also.
Great. Jokic doubled under the Watson. Beautiful touch pass. Nikola Jokic.
U posljednjem MVP okršaju protiv Šaja i Oklahome, Nikola je zaista pokazao svoje najbolje.
Good pass into Jokic. Turn, spin, got it.
Be on the initial attack from SGA. They're doubling.
Alley-oop to Porter. Jokic to shoot the three here. Oh, he's on the dribble drive. Somebody deep. Put it up and in. Wow. Nikola Jokic with a day game. Pass under to Westbrook and lays it in.
Seriju su u sezoni podelili na 2-2. Šaj je prosečno beležio 30,2 poena, 5 skokova i 6,5 asistencija, uz 49% iz polja, dok je Jokić isporučivao prosečnih 24,5 poena, 15,7 skokova i 11,5 asistencija sa 52,6% efikasnosti u ta 4 meča. U dosadašnjoj sezoni Nikola prosečno obeleži triple-double, dok je u top 3 igrača u ligi po poenima, skokovima i asistencijama. Niko to pre nikad nije učinio. I dok je mnogima u redu da Shai ponese MVP priznanja ove sezone, ako pratimo narative, umor glasača ili šta već ne, siguran sam da kada budemo ovo pogledali za 5 do 10 godina, delovaće kao najveći kriminal u istoriji NBA-a. Ove je sezone čak uradio i nezamislivo, postigavši 61 poen uz triple-double. Bio je nezaustavljiv protiv Minnesote, ali taj je thriller bio odlučen putem neverovatne greške Russella Westbrooka u posljednjim sekundama. Pogledajte to upravo ovde. Čujemo se u sljedećem videu. Peace out.